Hello dear students, in this video we will discuss the topic of number series. Okay, let's get started. So what should you know basically? You should have the knowledge of basic mathematical operations, that is how to do addition, subtraction, multiplication, division using manual calculations, not using the calculator. Okay, you should know how to do it without using the calculator. That is important. Next thing is squares until 20, that is the minimum. If you know till 25, it is great. Then you should know cubes, how to calculate cubes and what are the cubes you should know. Then you should also know prime numbers. Okay, so first thing is squares. You know that square is nothing but when you multiply one number with itself 2 times. So 1 into 1 is 1 square. 2 into 2 is 2 square. Okay, so cube is 3 times. 1 into 1 into 1 is 1 cube. So you should know cubes until 10. That is a minimum. Then prime numbers. What is a prime number? Which is divisible by 1 and itself. Okay. We can also say that prime number means in the tables it comes in one's table. For example, 1 into 2 is 2 and also its own numbers. So if I take 2, 2 into 1, 2. Only these two places it should come. What if I take 6? 1 into 6, 6 into 1, also 2 into 3, 3 into 2 it comes. So this is not a prime number. 6 is not a prime number. 2 is a prime number. Okay, you should know till 100. Let's get started. Questions will be like this. Which number comes in the place of question mark? So you will have numbers and at the end question mark, or it can be in middle also. Question mark will be there. Okay, we have to tell what is the number in the question mark. Let us see how to solve this. Very simple. Very simple. What is the difference between 4 and 7? It is plus 3. What is the difference between 7 and 12? 5. Difference between 12 and 19? 7. So difference between 4 and 7 is 3, 5, 7, 9. So if you observe the difference 3, 5, 7, 9, next difference should be 11. So 28 plus 11, 39. This is the simple logic. Okay. Plus 3, plus 5, plus 7, plus 9. So next it should be plus 11. That's it. Let us go to next number. 1, 9, 25, 49, question mark 121. We can go with two methods. Let us go with first method. 1 plus 8 is 9. 9 plus 16 is 25. 25 plus 24 is 49. 49 plus 32 is 81. 81 plus 40 is 121. Okay. So we have to just observe the difference 8, 16, 24, 32. If you add 49 plus 32, we get 81. This is one method of doing. What is another method? Shortcut method. 1 square means 1. 3 square means 9. 5 square means 25. 7 square means 49. Next it should be 9 square, which is 81. So 1 square, 3 square, 5 square, 7 square, next it should be 9 square, which is 81. So if we have the knowledge of squares, we can answer this very easily. Okay, look at this question. Yes, the difference is plus 5, plus 10, plus 15, plus 20, then the difference should be plus 25. So 56 plus 25, 81 should be the difference. Okay. Let us go to next question. 34, 45, 56, 67. If we observe the difference, it is plus 11, plus 11, plus 11 everywhere, right? 11, 11, 11, 11. So if you add, you get 78. There is an alternate method too. How? Just observe the number. 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, 6, 7. Next number should be 7, 8. That's it. Next one. 2, 1, 1 by 2, 1 by 4. What is the next number? If you observe that each number is getting divided by 2. For example, first number is 2. If I divide 2 by 2, I get 1. If I divide 1 by 2, it is second number. 1 by 2 divided by 2 means I have to write 2 in the denominator. It becomes 1 by 4. Same way, 1 by 4 divided by 2 means I will multiply this denominator. So it becomes 1 by 8. Right? Next one. We have a decimal point here. 1.5, 2.3, 3.1, 3.9. Okay. If you observe the difference, it is 0.8. Across 0.8, 0.8, 0.8, 0.8. So we get 4.7. Suppose many students will not be comfortable working with decimals. What can we do that time? We can just ignore the decimal. It becomes 15, 23, 31, 39. What is the next number? Okay, 31, 39 next. So if you observe the difference, it is 8, 8, 8. So next it should be 8. So 39 plus 8, 47. Put back the decimal. That's it. Okay, this technique can be used when you have the decimal at standard position. That time we can use like this. Just ignoring the decimal, solving it and finally putting back the decimal. Okay. Let us get into some real examination question. This is from Staff Selection Commission exam. Observe the question. 620, 670, 722, 776. What is the difference? 620 plus 50 gives 670. 670 plus 52 gives 722. 722 plus 54. If you observe 50, 52, 54, next should be 56. So 776 plus 56 gives us 832. There is one more shortcut way of doing it. I'll just tell you the unit digit method. Observe the unit digit in 776, it is 6 and here it is 6. If I add 6 plus 6, I get 12. Unit digit is 2. So unit digit in the answer option D is 2. So I will go with answer option D. We don't have to add the complete numbers. Just add the unit digit. That's enough. Next number. 17, 21, 30, 46. If we observe the difference, 17 and 21, 4 is the difference, 9 is the difference, 16, 25. What is 4? 2 square is 4. 3 square is 9. 4 square is 16. 5 square is 25. Next it should be 6 square. 6 square means 36. So if you add 71 plus 36, we get 107. Here also we can try the unit digit method. 71 unit digit is 1, 36 unit digit is 6. What is 1 plus 6? Unit digit 7. That's it. Go with the answer option C, which has unit digit 7. Okay. Let us go to one UPSC question. Choose the group which is different from others. If we observe all the numbers, we have one number which is not a prime number, that is 91. This is not a prime number. Rest all are prime numbers. So option D is the group which is different because it has one which is not a prime number. So option D is the correct answer. This is from UPSC exam. Let us go to next question. What is the value of X in the sequence from UPSC? 2, 7, 22, 67, 202, X. Simple. If we observe the unit digit, 2, 7, 2, 7. So 2, 7, which option has unit digit 7? 607 is the right answer. Let us check the mathematical logic. 2 into 3, 6 plus 1, 7. 7 into 3, 21 plus 1, 22. 22 into 3, 66 plus 1, 67. So this is the logic. We get 607 as the correct answer. So one more question from UPSC they have told. So let us observe. The nearest prime number is 13. 13 plus 1 gives 14. Next number is 17 plus 1 gives 18. Next number prime number is 19 plus 1 gives 20. Next prime number is 23 plus 1 gives us 24. Like that, if you go, prime number is 37 plus 1 gives us 38. So option C, 38 is the right answer. Here they have told that there is some operation happening related to prime number. So prime number is plus 1, that is what is happening. That is also from UPSC question. Next question is on this. If we observe the logic, we have alternate series. Let us go like this. 4, 16, 36, 64. So this is 4 square. So 4 means 2 square, 4 square, 6 square, 8 square. Alternate logic 196, 144, 100, x. 196 is 14 square, 144 is 12 square, 100 is 10 square, x will be 8 square, which is 64. Option B, 64 is the correct answer. Quite simple. If you know those squares, you will answer this question very easily. Let us go to one more question. This is from UPSC exam. Observe the box. It has some rows and some columns. Let's answer this. What is the logic here? Simple logic. N into n plus 1 is the logic. What is n into n plus 1? N into n minus 1, sorry, n into n minus 1. 3 into minus 1 is 3 minus 1 is 2, 3 into 2, 6. 8 into n minus 1 means 7, 8 minus 1 which is 7, 56. 10 into 9, 90. Same way, question mark, we should have 5 because 5 into 4 is 20. So this place will have 5 as the answer. Option A, 5 is the correct answer. Let us go to some more questions. 5, 13, 29, 61, 125, 253. 5 into 2, 10, plus 3, 13. 13 into 2, 26, plus 3, 29. 29 into 2, 58, plus 3, 61. If you keep on going like this, 253 into 2, which is 506, plus 3, 509. Option C is the correct answer. Next question. 16 into 2, 32. 32 plus 3, 35. 35 into 4, 140. So what is happening here? Into 2 plus 3. Into 4 plus 5. Into 6 plus 7. So if you observe, into 2 plus 3, into 4 plus 5, into 7, into 6 plus 7. So into 8 will be the answer. Observe the unit digit. 8 into 7, 56. 6 should be the unit digit. Only option A has 7016. Straight away you can click the answer, observing the unit digit. Next question. So here what is happening? The difference is 5, difference is 25, difference is 125, then difference is 625. So if you observe, 5 to the power of 1 is 5, 5 to the power of 2 is 25, 5 to the power of 3 is 125, 5 to the power of 4 is 625. So next it should be, the difference should be 5 to the power of 5. Okay, if you add 5 to the power of 5 to this 785, you get 3910. 3910 is the correct answer. Okay, let us go. Next question. Square of prime numbers in each step. So what is happening here? 196 and 400, 200, the difference is 4. Difference is 9. Difference is 25. difference is 49. Now here the difference is 121. Okay, so if you observe carefully, the difference are 4, 9, 125, 49, 121 and so on. So it should be 2 square, 3 square, 5 square, 7 square, 11 square. Next it should be 13 square. Yeah. Next will be 17 square is the difference, which is 289. So if you add 289 and 573, we'll get the answer. Okay. So that is 862 is the answer. Option D is the correct answer. Four 725 1050. If you observe, let us, for these kind of question, start from the last. 80 is becoming 120. 120 is becoming 300. What is the logic here? Each number is getting divided by 4. So if you follow the same method, so first one is divided by 4.5, second one divided by 3.5, third one divided by 2.5, fourth one divided by 1.5, last one divided by 0.5. So it is, if you divide by 0.5, you get 160 as the answer. So option B, 160 is the correct answer. Next one, 325, 255, 2545. So what is happening here? 3 into 10, 30 minus 5. 25 into 10, 50 plus 5. 250 plus 5. So 255. So what is happening here? Into 10 minus 5. Into 10 plus 5. Into 10 minus 5. Into 10 plus 5. So this is what is happening here. So if we go by the same logic, we will get 254545. Option C as the correct answer. So into 10 minus 5 into 10 plus 5. That is the cyclicity here. Next question. Into 2 into 3 into 4. Okay, into 2 48. Into 3 you get. Into 4 you get. When we look at the number itself, we can identify numbers are getting doubled. They are increasing heavily. So at the end, you have into 5, then you have into 6. 6 into 0, 0, 6 into 8, 48. Observe the unit digit, 8 is only here. So straight away we can click option A. We don't have to calculate everything because 6 into 8, 48. You should get 8 at the end. We have only one option with 8 here. Option A is the correct answer. Next question. 5 into 1, 5. 5 into 3, 15. 5 into 5, 75. 75 into 9. So basically, odd numbers. It is getting multiplied with odd numbers. Okay. Next, it should be 1 into 15 into 5, 75. 75 into 9, 525. So when we multiply with consecutive odd numbers, we will get the answer for this. Just observe carefully which are the numbers we are getting multiplied here. Which numbers we have multiplied. Yeah, when you multiply 5 into 1, you get 5, right? 15 into 5, you get this one. I missed a number here. 15 into 5 is 75. This is into 7. 75 into 7. Then we have into 9 into 11. So next number we will get is this one. 4725 into 11 is 51975. You get. Option D is the correct answer. I hope the video was useful to you. If you are preparing for any competitive exams, you can get in touch with me. I do conduct online classes as well. Okay. 8861169896 is my contact number. This is my WhatsApp number. Drop a message on WhatsApp. YouTube channel is RYT Academy. Please like, share and subscribe to YouTube channel, and also share this video with your friends so that it will be useful for their examination and preparation. I wish you all the best. Thank you so much.